News coming in from Jammu and Kashmir of twin terror attacks. An ex-BJP Sarpanch has been killed, and there's been another incident of tourists also being injured in an attack. Let's get you those details one after another. First incident in Shopian, where you had an ex-BJP Sarpanch, Ejaz Sheikh, being killed by terrorists. And then in Anantnag, a tourist couple from Jaipur have been targeted. The area has been cordoned off. Search operations are underway to nab and identify the terrorists behind both of these attacks. Reactions also coming in. Both Farooq Abdullah and Omar Abdullah have condemned these twin terror strikes. In Anantnag, another incident of tourists being targeted. We've been seeing in the valley terrorists attempting to target outsiders who are not locals. And here, tourist couple from Jaipur being targeted in Anantnag, clearly in an attempt to deter tourist footfall in the valley.
हमने गोलियों की आवाज़ सुनी, लेकिन हमें ये पता नहीं है कि कौन है और कहां से आया है। लेकिन फिर 4 या 10 या 15 मिनट के बाद अंदर से आवाज़ आई। इसकी मम्मी ने कहा कि मेरे बेटे को किसी ने गोली मारी, लेकिन नामालूम बंदूक बरदार पता नहीं वो कहां से आए, किस रास्ते से आए, और ये भी पता नहीं है कि वो कहां फिर गए। तो उसके बाद शायद 10-15 मिनट के बाद फिर पुलिस आई, यहाँ पर आर्मी आई, और उसके बाद जब हमें लग रहा था कि अभी ये ज़ख्मी है, तो हमने उसे गाड़ी में भर दिया, और गाड़ी में भरने के बाद हमने उसको हॉस्पिटल पहुँचाया। और जब हॉस्पिटल पहुँचा तो हॉस्पिटल वालों ने, वहाँ पर डॉक्टर ने उसकी डेथ करार दी गई।
Okay, in Shopian, remember, it was an ex-BJP Sarpanch who's been killed by terrorists and killed in his residence based on what that local has told us. So 2 unfortunate terror strikes being reported in a matter of 24 hours in Jammu and Kashmir. Clearly another attempt by terrorists to stall normalcy, and this comes just days after, of course, that news of a record voter turnout in the general elections in Kashmir, which gave hope of finally normalcy seeping into a Kashmiri's life. But terrorists once again trying to deter that. Mir Farid joining us live from Srinagar with more details on this. Mir, unfortunate news coming in of 2 terror strikes. Any details of who's responsible?
Well, TRF has already claimed responsibility. We know TRF is a shadow outfit of the Lashkar, and previously also, if we talk of most of the targeted attacks in the Kashmir Valley, especially in the last 3 years, they have been behind it. Now, these 2 attacks happened simultaneously almost. The first one in Pahalgam, which is of course a tourism resort, a tourist area. And there 2 non-locals were targeted, husband and wife, and one of them was grievously wounded. They have been hospitalized. And just 10 minutes after that, another attack in Shopian, where an ex-Sarpanch who was affiliated with the BJP was shot dead. In fact, 10 bullets pumped into him. And in both the locations right now, I can tell you, search and combing operation is continuing. But quite clearly, if we talk of these elections, this election process, this is the first such attack on a grassroots worker. Previously, all previous elections were marred by violence, but this time around the build-up was good. But finally, a grassroots worker has been targeted, and obviously, we know elections are around the corner in South Kashmir on the 25th, so not the right build-up for them.
Right. Unfortunate news coming in, but efforts underway right now by forces to identify these terrorists and nab them immediately. A clear attempt there to deter the election process that's been happening so far rather smoothly in Kashmir, and also to ensure the tourist footfall is hit in the valley, which has been seeing record numbers in the last few weeks. Thanks very much, Mir, for joining us with all of those details.